The model USSS-2 is a non-penetrating stunner used when customers prefer not to enter the head with a captive bolt, such as on halal or kosher kills. It features dual-handle control for easy and safe operation. And there's less operator fatigue due to its low recoil or kickback. It's easy to repair and clean, and it's lightweight. For use with the Jarvis USSS-2 is the optional head restraint and chin lift system. It provides optimum positioning of the cattle head for quick and accurate stunning and increased output on the kill floor.